Hi, Sarah Banis here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you something really neat today. I am going to show you how to work with smart objects so that you can make mock-ups that look real and show your design on actual product to potential customers without having to physically make it. So save yourself a lot of time and money this way. Before we go any further, if this is something that's of interest to you, like the video, but also subscribe to my channel. I come out with new videos probably once or twice a week, just lots of ways to make you better at the craft. So subscribe to the channel, you get a notification when the new videos come out. So this is super easy. Let's go ahead and get started. So smart objects you can use in a couple of programs. You can use them in Photoshop, which Photoshop is a monthly subscription that I don't personally use it enough to pay for a subscription that's all I get out of it is just the program. You can also use it in Affinity Photo. And what we're going to use it in is we're going to use Smart Objects in Design Scape. So let's go ahead and hop over here. Design Scape is a program that is offered by Design Bundles and Font Bundles, which is a part of their Plus program. It's a free program that you get with, so you saw that I clicked on plus right here. It's a free program that you get to use with your gold level plus membership. So you can get a free trial of plus. I'll link that in the video description. To get to the video description, when you're looking at the video, there's like a down arrow underneath it on YouTube. Click on that down arrow and that'll expand the video, all of the information, and I'll have links in there for the free trial, the plus. I'll also link on our Facebook group, Sublimation for Beginners. You'll love it. Come join us there. It's a super good group. Actually, I'll link CRICUT and Silhouette for beginners for our CRICUT and Silhouette users, and I'll link Sublimation for beginners. Both of them are very large, very friendly, very helpful groups. We'd love to have you, so definitely come join us there. But I'm also going to link the free trial of Plus. And what we're going to use today is a mock-up with a smart object that actually came from the Plus membership. So you can get that for free also. I'll link that as well. So let's get started. So right here, click on Design Scape. Okay, go to Design Scape. You're not going to believe how easy this is. Go to File, Open. This is the one I chose. Now, when you are looking at different mockups to use to do this, you'll want to make sure that the mockup says on it Smart Object, and they'll all say that. Any design that includes a smart object will let you know that in the description. So this is the one we are using. So now you'll see that this has over here on the right hand side, there are 4 separate layers, okay? So there's tumbler left, and you can see with that selected that I can move it. See how it's got that nice shadow? This is just a great set. Super glad I found this one. And then right, center, left, and then the background. Okay, so I don't want this background. I'm going to put these on my own background, okay? So let me actually, yeah, I'll go ahead and get rid of it. So you see right next to the background, there's an eye. Click on that, and that'll get rid of your background. I'll move this over a little bit back where it was. Oops. Move this over a little bit back where it was. Okay. And so now all you have is your 3 smart objects, right? So click on Center and click on this little down arrow to expand it. And now right here where it says double click, this right here is your smart object, okay? So double click on that to open it. And now go to File, Open in Place, okay? And now what you're doing is you're importing your design, okay? So this is a design that I made the other day. I'll import that and stretch this out. This style of design, I am actually going to make I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to make it. Super easy. So I'll list that in the, I'll put that up in the channel, in the YouTube channel in the next few days. So you'll definitely want to watch that one. So, okay, so we have placed that, right? So now what we want to do is go to File, Save Smart Object. Okay, so up here, right here, you have this is this layer, and now just click back over to that, and that is all there is to that. So now you have your 3 smart objects with your design wrapped onto it. Okay, so now what you want to do is, for me personally, I like to you can import your background onto this. What I like to do is I like to File, Export, PNG. Okay, and then I'm going to click Save, and that went into my downloads. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, you can use whatever program you are most comfortable designing in, you can do this part in. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and then let's get rid of this. Okay, and this is what I like to do. I like to put them on my own background, right? So I'm going to go to File, Import. So let's go ahead and grab our tumblers first. That's your tumblers that you just made and saved as a PNG. Okay, and now I'm going to choose my background that I want to put that on. And this background, it's super pretty. Actually, everything the designer makes is pretty. I'll go ahead and I'll link this background that I'm going to use in the description as well. So I saved that somewhere. There we go. Super duper pretty. So that's that. Right click, order, back of page, and that's it. And that is all there is to it. And then if you want, of course, you can, put your logo on it. You can overlay your logo over the top of it, or whatever you want to do to make it look more personalized. And now, so if you're working in a program like CorelDRAW or, like Silhouette Studio or something like that, then you can just go to File, Export, and that, you can export your image. If you're working in a program like, move that, my shadow, I would probably, I would just slice that shadow off of there, just so that it comes over a little bit. But if you're working in a program like CRICUT, Design Scape that you can't export from, super easy. All you have to do, if you're on a Windows computer, I'm sure there's a way on a Mac as well, but in Windows, it's just, it's snipping is how you screenshot. So you would go to my snipping tool is right here. If you don't already have it up, go to your start menu and then just type in snip and it'll come up. But so my snipping tool is already right here. So how you use snip is you go to new, and then you snip out what you want. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. And then you would save it, and then you can show that to your customers, and looks just like you made it. So super easy. Like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel. You'll get the notification when the videos come out, and everything will be linked in the video description. The free trial membership of Plus, where you can get the free membership, or the free trial membership of the gold membership, so that you can access Design Scape, but also you can get this tumbler mock-up. I'll link that in the description also. It's the best one that I found. Super nice. And then like I showed you, you don't have to use all three if you don't want to. It's nice with this because then you can show all sides of your design. But if you only want to show one, you can do that also. You can just delete the other 2 layers. And then I'll link this background just because it's beautiful. But that's about it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.